In this video, I want to talk about Google My Business reviews, why you should respond to them, and how this could benefit you and your business. Welcome to my channel. My name is Stefan and I'm glad you're here. If you signed up for a Google My Business account, then you might got some customer reviews already. Positive ones, I hope. But what was your reaction? Yes, you were happy. Positive reviews are always a reason to be proud of. But did you respond to them? Does it make sense to respond anyway? I mean, if you got a positive review from a customer anyway, why should you respond? The customer drops a positive or even negative review, then the customer wants to get in touch with you. He wants to communicate with you, so that is a big advantage. But be honest, that's not really communication as we know it. If the customer only sends a message to you or your business, then this is just a single-side communication. A normal human communication is that one person is saying something and the other one is responding to it, isn't it? I mean, if one of your clients is dropping a positive review, then at least a thank you would be a good start, right? Future customers will read this and they will feel good about you and your business. And the customer who wrote this review will have a better day since you replied to him. He will keep you longer in his head and will tell others about you. And that's basically the goal of all your marketing activities. For example, it's like meeting an old friend on the streets and he starts with, "Hey, nice to meet you. I'm so glad to see you." And you say nothing. You turn around and walk away. And your friend will think you don't like him anymore. But you basically did just not respond. That's all. But all these communication rules apply also for the online business. So what we learn from this little episode: if you don't respond to any customer reviews, you will be recognized as an unfriendly and unreliable partner. But yes, I understand it's not always easy to find the right words for each review. But it's not good to copy and paste the same text over and over again. Customers will think that you just don't want to spend the time for that. That's why I have put together a little recipe on how to reply to any reviews in general. The first point is say thank you. So if you reply to a customer's review, first thing is to say thank you. Something like thanks, thank you, or we're happy that you, and so on and so on. Please thank the customer with honesty. It has to come from your heart. This is really important. So to achieve this, read his review first and then start to reply. The second sentence is integrate your keywords. In the second sentence of your reply, you integrate some products and services from your shop or business. So what do I mean with that? Here I have an example of a car repair shop. Besides your oil change for your car, we also offer full maintenance for all car brands. In this way, you integrated two keywords for your business: oil change and maintenance for all car brands. Isn't that great? In that way, you can fill your review page with valuable keywords from your business. Your customers will find you faster since you mentioned again and again what you do as a business. Google also ranks your rate of reply, and each time you reply to a customer's review, Google will reward you for a better ranking. If this video is any help for you or your business, then please subscribe to my channel. So now you see, if you don't respond to any customer reviews, you are missing out a big advantage to grow your business. This being said, if a customer starts a communication with you, you can use this to spread out your products and services in the best way possible. For sure, it is important to have a list of all your keywords for your business. Each customer, each review is different. That's why you should track your keyword list each time you answer a review. That's how you can make sure that you use all your products and services in your answers. Make sure to answer to your customers' content and not just use your keyword intentions. Customers first. That's still true. But how do you get a complete list of your keywords for your business? Well, yes, you can grab a pile of money and pay an SEO specialist or a marketing guru. But the best person to pick the right keywords for your business is you. Believe it or not, it is that simple and doesn't eat too much of your time. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my video in the future for how to pick the right keywords for your local business. I really hope I could give you some valuable information or at least some new inspirations to change little things in your business for good. Have a good day and hopefully big success. Yours, Stefan.